I make my candy apples walk, dance, and bounce. This is my runway. Let me introduce myself. I'm the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends and pop-up videos during the week. Okay, for your double scoop ice cream cones with your apples, you need 2 apples, and this is how I place my apples down the stick. It doesn't matter if they're upside down or not. This is just how I do mine. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, I got my Ghirardelli chocolate. I'm dipping my cone down in the chocolate, but make sure you cut off a piece of the cone so the wooden stick can slide through the cone like this. And I'm dipping my cone. I'm going to shake some extra chocolate off, and then I am going to place this down in the sprinkles. Now you can have your ice cream cones, your apples, sitting down, or you can have them sitting up. In this case, I want mine sitting up, so I'm just giving this a sprinkle with my sprinkles. I am just going to repeat the process here. Like I said before, you need to cut off a corner of your cone so your wooden stick can slide through. I'm just shaking off some extra chocolate. I am going to place my apples on the stick. Make sure you're using the small apples. The smaller, the better. I'm dipping my chocolate in a tall cup. I need to shake off the extra chocolate. Okay, this is the most important step. So after you dip your apples, go ahead and put your cone on. Now you can have your apples sitting like this, but I'm gonna turn mine the right side up. You're going to have to hold that cone on that apple until that chocolate dries for about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, I am putting some apples on the stick. Let me show you again. And I am dipping my apples in the chocolate. Okay, I am out of piping bags, so I am going to use my chocolate squeeze bottle and just squeeze chocolate on top of the apple and just let the chocolate run down the apple. And after this step, I'll go ahead over to my sprinkles and put sprinkles on top of the chocolate. Okay, so I melted down some Ghirardelli chocolate, the best of the best Ghirardelli. And I wanted to make my top scoop chocolate. Unfortunately, I have greedy people here in the house, so I couldn't even take a picture of this cute ice cream chocolate candy apple. Okay, make sure you guys hold your cones and hold them until your chocolate dries so it can seal. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.